Microsoft announced that a bunch of new adjustments are coming to the Windows search box in Windows 11. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech updates. Microsoft is bringing a couple of few changes, and each individual item is a minor improvement, but hopefully in aggregate the changes will add up to a better experience for search. And if you're a member of the Windows Insider program, well, you must have started seeing the changes already. The whole user experience for the Windows search box is getting streamlined. The home screen has been pared back for less visual clutter, which should make it easier to access recent searches easily. The results display also looks cleaner, with larger spacing creating room to show useful metadata for hits. Users can now toggle whether they want to see hits from the web and the Microsoft Store beside local results. Speaking of web searches, the best thing that's coming with this upgrade is users will no longer see sponsored content, such as products and promotions, at the top of the results of their searches. The improved search should also do a better job of finding both files and apps. After a long, not terribly successful push to try and make Copilot happen, Microsoft has been focusing back towards making quality of life improvements to Windows 11. There have been incremental updates too, like allowing users to adjust the size of the start menu, along with more meaningful changes, such as a system for rolling back faulty drivers. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.